So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. And it looks like she decided to big chop. She's pretty much just going section by section, putting the hair in ponytails. And she does a nice little boy cut pixie style. Wow, I honestly am really impressed with this because she did this at home and it looks really good. I wonder if she's like a professional hairstylist or something like that, because this came out so beautiful. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to showcase some of the best winter 2023 short hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this year. So these are going to be styles that you can rock from 2023 and into 2024. Next up, we have a hair transformation. Oh, so she got a nice little shaggy pixie cut here. Loving the color. Beautiful blonde platinum mixed with blue. Oh, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Very cool style idea. And I like this stylist hair too. She has like a pop of blonde going there in the bangs. And for 2024, if you guys have not checked out my color video for the hottest hair color trends that we're going to be seeing, but one of the biggest statement trends that we are going to be seeing as far as hair color definitely plays into this two-tone color trend here. We're going to see a lot of mixtures of colors as well as pops of color. So there's no better time than now to just have fun with your hair, do something different, express your personality through your hair. Just so many options that you can play around with. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have a bit of a cut refresh here with this Pixie Style. shaping that the stylist did here. Hair is a little bit longer on one side versus the other. What's nice about this cut is that she still has a lot of hair that she can play around with when it comes to like styling. She can curl the hair up, down. A lot of versatility. Next up, we have a DIY hair color. So it looks like she's going with like a copper tone, like an orange copper shade. Now this is a huge trend for 2023 and it will continue to evolve in 2024. Very popular hair shade. Cute little Pixie Style here, and the color looks so beautiful. That came out amazing. Oh, I love how she styled it. So with the previous haircut, this is kind of what I was talking about before as far as like the cut and the styling options. So here she kind of like spiked her hair up. I think that's really cute. She could also slick it back if she wanted to. Just a lot of options to play around with. Wow, that color is so beautiful with her eye color. So pretty. And then here we have another play on the mullet trend. This is kind of like a modern mullet look here. Bangs in the front, a longer hair on the side. Like in general, we're obsessed with retro hairstyles right now, and I think that's because of TikTok. A lot of things that are old are new again. And then another hair trend that we're seeing is quiet luxury blonde and old money blonde. So this is a trend that is popular because of TikTok. I kind of talk about it a little bit in the hair color video. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely check that out. But here we have someone getting that particular haircut and color. Also, if you guys want to see like a deep dive video of that particular trend, I think I'm going to put one together because it's very popular right now. And I think it's just a trend that's really starting to just kind of like take off. It's definitely in its infancy. That's the word I'm looking for. It's definitely a trend that's in its infancy. So I think it's going to be interesting to see where it kind of progresses into next year. Oh, look how volumized her hair looks. Amazing with the bottleneck bangs. Very cute style. I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.